Hello there! Today, we're unlocking the secret to forming compound adjectives. Those cool combos that make your descriptions pop. What are compound adjectives? Let's start with the basics. A compound adjective is made by joining two or more words to describe a noun. For example, a well-known author, a high-speed train, a 10-year-old child. Notice how these adjectives give us specific and vivid details? Here are the most common patterns for forming compound adjectives. Adjective plus noun. Example of this: cold-hearted person, meaning someone lacking empathy. Noun plus adjective. Example: snow white dress, meaning very white like snow. Noun plus participle. Ed or ing. Example: time-consuming task, meaning takes a lot of time. Number plus noun. Example: 5-star hotel, meaning hotel rated with 5 stars. Adjective plus participle. Example: high-pitched sound, meaning a sound with high frequency. Important tip: when used before a noun, compound adjectives are usually hyphenated. Practice time! Let's test your skills. I'll give you a noun, and you try to create a compound adjective for it. Noun: car. Possible answer is high-speed car. Job. Possible answer is full-time job. Cake. Possible answer is homemade cake. Comment your answers below and let's see how creative you can get. Compound adjectives are great for writing essays, giving presentations, or just sounding more fluent in conversations. Instead of saying a hotel that has 5 stars, say a 5-star hotel. It's shorter, clearer, and more natural. Good job! I hope this video helped you better understand how to form and use compound adjectives. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!